Ever made a GIF in Canva and wished it moved just a little faster, or maybe slowed down for that perfect timing? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your GIF's speed in Canva, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your design that contains a GIF. Canva doesn't let you directly control the speed of a GIF file, so here's the simple trick. Download your GIF as an MP4 video instead. To do that, click Share, then Download, choose MP4 video, and hit Download. Once the video is saved, create a new design or open the one you want to use, then upload that MP4 file back into Canva. Just drag it onto your canvas or add it to your timeline if you're working with video layers. Now comes the magic part. Select your video clip and on the top toolbar, find the playback option. Here, you'll see a speed slider. Slide it to the right to make your GIF faster or to the left to slow it down. Canva also gives you a speed button that lets you fine-tune the playback rate even more precisely. Once you're happy with the timing, preview it to make sure everything flows smoothly. Then, simply download it again as a GIF or MP4, depending on what you need. And that's it. You've just learned how to perfectly control the speed of any GIF using Canva's video tools. It's quick, clean, and gives your design that extra professional touch. If you found this helpful, stick around for more simple Canva tricks that make your editing faster and your projects stand out.